Up next, we have Stephen Rhine. Mr. Rhine, please state your name and affiliation for the record. You have 2 minutes.
Good afternoon, Committee and Chair. My name is Stephen Rhine from Rhine Labs in Vancouver, Washington. Washington is a right to repair state. I thank you for the opportunity to testify in support of SB 111. As you know, every food product has a nutrition label. You know exactly what's in it. You can compare products, make an informed choice, and hold manufacturers accountable. By law, you can read the warranty and ingredients before you spend a dime. Electronics consumers deserve that same standard. Before 1990, TVs, video game consoles, appliances, and other things came with the schematics printed right on them or tucked inside the case, or the manual the manufacturer provided. You could fix what you owned. Manufacturers took that away and forced Americans to accept it. Today, they plaster devices AI-powered or next generation, claiming but won't show you as a bill of materials or the schematic. Many times it's the same hardware as last model with a software update, new shape, color, and a price tag. If the manufacturer claims they don't have those documents, then they aren't designing or manufacturing what they're selling. That is fraud. The documents are required to manufacture the device. This bill fixes that. It requires manufacturers to document, to make documentations, parts, and tools available on fair, reasonable terms with few exemptions for manufacturers to exploit. That matters to individuals, businesses, and families forced to replace a device that needs a $5 chip or the firmware for that chip. It matters for oil field crews in the North Slope who cannot wait months for an authorized technician or for a replacement device. Up there in the middle of the winter, being locked out of your own equipment isn't just expensive, it can be life-threatening, such as a heater, an ATV, or other equipment being disabled after a repair because of software, a tool is not made available by approving the repair or clearing the codes. Consumers deserve a nutrition label and strong exemption-free consumer protections from their technology they own. I urge your support in passing Senate Bill 111. Any questions? Thank you. I can provide many documentations of how the manufacturers are twisting the exemptions here in Washington State, show you physical examples of the exact same device. The only thing different is the code on a chip.
Thank you for your testimony, sir.